Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Do me a favor, my people. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're doing our best to give you the latest news and updates on Sologenic, XRP and Coreum. Hit the like button for me, my people. That pushes us through the analytics, pushes the channel through the analytics, so we can get the channel and the knowledge of Sologenic out there. So today, as we see on screen, we've got Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, as most of us already know. And he's talking about crypto regulations, how it's confusing in the US, and also Ripple acquired a new company called Metaco. So let's see what Brad's saying on that.
That there's a lot of caution out there in the investor community after a number of high-profile collapses in the crypto world. By getting in on the infrastructure more, are you trying to iron out some of the risk and volatility that's associated with this sector?
Well, I think at its core, this is a bet about the long-term view of where digital assets and blockchain technologies are going to change how financial institutions manage and certainly transact. At the core, we think there's going to be a lot of examples where through tokenization, you're going to see assets that we think about trading today that are tokenized. And institutions need to think about how they store digital assets today, known as cryptocurrencies, but also those tokens of the future. BlackRock's CEO, Larry Fink, talked about this being a multi-trillion-dollar asset business. And we think it's going to continue to grow. It's a great fit for us because it's really where Ripple has been throughout our history of focusing on infrastructure and solving real problems for real customers.
A few years ago, back in 2020, you had a bit of a run-in with the SEC. Metaco is based in Switzerland. It's got non-US employees, as far as I know. Was that part of the appeal, given that US regulators are cracking down more and more on cryptocurrency companies?
Well, look, I think it's fair to say that the U.S. has made it as confusing as possible as to what the rules of the road are for the crypto industry. And frankly, it's why you're seeing entrepreneurship and investment flowing into other jurisdictions. Certainly, Europe has been a significant beneficiary of the confusion that has existed in the United States. And yes, as you described, the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission has really been at the forefront of that confusion. And unfortunately, that has encouraged companies like Ripple to invest more outside of the United States. About 95% of our customers are non-U.S. And this year, most of our hiring will be non-U.S. for some of those exact same reasons. In Ripple, prior to this acquisition, we have about 800 employees. Metaco has about 100 employees, as you described, almost all outside the United States, primarily in and around Europe. So we think it's a perfect fit, both from the type of customer, where we're trying to grow, where our customers are today. And so we're certainly very excited about it.
Brad, what should the post-FTX regulatory framework then look like for cryptos and governing cryptos?
I think it's a really important question because I think we conflate what happened with FTX as a crypto problem. And really, look, from my point of view, at its core, what happened with FTX is called a fraud. And frauds happen in lots of different, unfortunately, asset classes. It's not, unfortunately, specific to crypto. But when I talk about providing clarity and rules of the road, the rules of the road for FTX were clear. They just broke those rules. The challenge here in the United States, where Europe really has provided leadership, and countries like UAE, certainly the growth you're seeing in Dubai, but even the UK and Singapore, they're providing the clarity about how they will regulate these digital assets. And that allows, through those rules of the road, that allows entrepreneurs, that allows investors to go engage constructively with regulators. And again, the reason why Metaco has been such a perfect fit for Ripple is from its beginning, it's been focused on infrastructure, enterprise, and working with the regulators. These are all regulated entities. That's true of Ripple's customers today, and the reason that we think Metaco is such a perfect fit, we're willing to pay $250 million, was because they also have that same DNA and that same ethos of focusing on an enterprise customer, working with regulators, and really being very global from the start.
So there we have it, my people. Ripple continue to expand their growth outside of the US. And Ripple tweeted, "Today we are proud to announce Ripple has acquired Metaco SA, becoming the sole shareholder of the Swiss-based provider of digital asset custody and tokenization technology." You see we have Metaco here. Metaco, a single unified platform to secure and govern all digital asset transactions and operations, technology mandated by 6 out of top 10 global custodians. And they tweeted, "Today we announced that Metaco becomes part of Ripple, joining forces in providing exceptional mission critical software infrastructure solutions that empower institutions to thrive in the rapidly evolving digital asset economy." So Ripple keep expanding, and remember, we already know Ripple, Sologenic, Coreum, obviously XRP. We already know it's all connected, my people. Sologenic tweeted out not too long ago. Solargenic DEX is now officially listed on Coingeko, expanding our visibility and unlocking greater liquidity and accessibility to global financial markets. With this integration, users can seamlessly compare and analyze data on Coingeko's platform, empowering them to make informed trading decisions. Join us on the Sologenic DEX and experience the future of decentralized trading. So if we look at Coingeko, and we see here Sologenic making another step forward. So we've got XRP, the pairs, look, on the pairs, Sologenic XRP, Coreum XRP, Ethereum, XRP Songbird, and unverified tickers. So this is a good look, definitely a good look. And my brother John says, "This will greatly improve the opportunities for the projects on the XRPL. Thanks to Sologenic Market Index, they will gain the first step visibility on Coingeko." 100%, my bro. I agree, my brother. So my people, let's take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at where we are. It's going to give you the support levels and resistance levels, in my opinions. Don't want to keep you too long. Don't want to make this a long-winded video. So Coreum, we've got Coreum currently at the 0.2323, up 6.9% on the day. $6.72% on the day. And let's just have a look at where we are. So we managed to push up back over this uptrending resistance that has been uptrending resistance for a while, since last year. And so our support levels, we've got the 23 cents, underneath that 22.02, underneath that 21.47. Resistance levels 2447, 2526, 2608. I'm not going to make this one a long one today, my people. We've got Sologenic sitting at the 0.14173, currently up 3% on the day, 3.12% on the day. And we have our support levels. Support levels sit at the 13.918, the 13.451, and the 13.13. And our resistance levels, the 0.14201, 0.14506, and the 0.14942. All in my opinion, my people, not financial advice. So my people, I appreciate you all. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.